turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.
Words fall out of my mouth, they drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I'll try to sample them back to the place in my head where I feel that I lie. The proper speak that I need to narrate the scene, to tell you these things. The proper place for my thoughts, I know that I'm not, I know that I'm not. So clear and transparent, I'll try but I can't promise it. So tight but delicate, I'm lost around the edges and down and I'm not, no I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to fall. You can try to smooth me down. Take back all that I said. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's not like me to pretend, but the best part of me is the worst I can get. But you made me so terrified. I tried to reply, but I'm shaking inside. You gave me a tongue just to tie. I'll swallow my pride if you swear not to lie. Hard to read and hard to speak to, but don't take my word, 'cause I'm honestly so bored of being misunderstood. I'm not so clear and transparent. I'll try, but I can't promise it. So tight but delicate, I'm lost around the edges and down and I'm not, no I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to fall back. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not, no I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to fall back. You can try to smooth me down.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance.